Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate and get on with your day. If there is a specific issue for which you would like to see a video, please leave a comment. Let's say that you want to rename your machine in macOS Sonoma or macOS Sequoia. You can view the current machine name by opening the system settings and then navigate to General and About. Under Name, you can see the current name of your machine, but you cannot change it here easily via an Edit option. Also, if you would only change your machine name, also called the computer name, and if you would only change your name here, a couple of underlying names which are used by the system and for networking won't change. To properly change your machine name, follow these steps. Open a terminal from the launchpad. Also, here in the prompt you can see your current computer name, and the hostname command also gives us the current name. We want to change this wrong name to the new machine name, in this case iMac. To change the primary hostname of your machine, type sudo scutel --set hostname with capital H and N, and then the new name. Most likely now you have to type your password. Then to change your network related hostname, it's the same command but with a local hostname. So change hostname to local hostname, and again pay attention to the capitalization. And the last step is to also rename the computer name. This is the name you see listed in, for example, Finder. Again the same command but with computer name. Now flush the cache to get rid of any references to the old name with the command ts-cacheutil -flush cache. Now reboot your machine. You can do this via the Apple menu or just with the command sudo reboot. Now when you log into the system after the reboot, the new machine name is visible. The host name is also adjusted. And under the system settings, the new name is visible. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!